Hey guys, this is Dr. Dr Gough here with Phoenix Spine and Joint. Today I want to talk to you about our minimally invasive knee replacement option that we offer here. It's a muscle-sparing, robotic-assisted total knee replacement. And what that means for you as the patient is typically a faster recovery with less pain and getting back to the things you like doing a lot sooner. Although every patient is unique and their recovery is definitely unique, we do feel like this gives our patients an advantage and decreases their pain post-operatively and lets them recover a lot quicker. By not cutting any muscle at all, the quadriceps is fully intact and ready to go right after the surgery. And in addition to using the robotic application, we're extremely precise and can position the implants in the exact way that it needs to be positioned for each patient's unique anatomy. These two things really give patients an advantage in their recovery process. The Mako Robot is a true robot with a robotic arm that we use in surgery to very precisely prepare the bone cuts to fit the prosthesis when we're done with the surgery. It gives us an extreme amount of precision and accuracy that we were unable to obtain prior to this technology becoming available. For more information, please visit goughmd.com or the Phoenix Spine and Joint website.